It is time. It's time for the lightning round. Cramer's investment round. Calls on each team. The stock started buy, sell, don't know the calculator. My staff prepares you when you hear the sound. Then the lightning round is indeed over. Are you ready, Steve? Daddy, time for the lightning round. Cramer's Let's start with Mark in my home state of New Jersey. Mark.
Yeah, hi. Thank you for having me on your show.
Quite welcome.
I'm calling about a company, a biotech company. They seem to have the first oral Alzheimer's disease drug. They just were published in a peer-reviewed journal publication. Signed by 58 customers.
And what's the stock?
It's called Anavex Life Sciences.
Okay, they're after some brain stuff. And, I was the spokesperson for the American Brain Foundation for a while. There's nothing tougher than brain. It's a good spec, $11, but understand it is indeed a spec. Dave in California. Dave.
Booyah, Jim.
Booyah.
Wanted to say thank you for all the hard work and making it fun and interesting over the course of the years. Really appreciate it.
Staff makes it happen for me, and that's why we can do it. How could I help?
I have a question about Viking Therapeutics. They presented at the J.P. Morgan Healthcare Conference on Monday. They exceeded expectations last year and reiterated for this year. And the price action was a bit confusing, so I wanted to know what
you're totally right. The RNA-based therapeutic companies are not doing well. I wonder whether this isn't like a reverse halo effect because of Moderna. I didn't quite understand. I agree with you. It is troubling. I don't want to be there. Paul in Colorado. Paul.
Booyah, Dr. Cramer. Thanks for
Good
taking
to have you on the show. Absolutely, Chief. What's happening?
I loved your enthusiasm on Squawk Box this morning. That was awesome.
Thank you. Well, I get a little fired up now and then.
Well, the dog still got some fight, right? Right?
Yeah, why not?
Hey,
yes.
Yep.
Yes.
Last year, I bought Viking Therapeutics in the mid-60s, thinking that it was a great price since it was as high as $90 a few months prior to that. Dr. Cramer, I need a prescription. Do I buy more at this price now, or do I hold on to what I have or sell what I have?
I want you to sell Viking Therapeutics and roll it into Viking Holdings, which is a fantastic cruise line, does not save lives, does not lower your blood pressure, does not make you lighter, but darn, they'll have a good time. Let's go to Billy in Connecticut. Billy.
Hey, Jim. Happy New Year.
Yo. Yeah, same.
I don't even know. I don't even know when you should stop saying that. Question for another day. My good buddy Theo suggested I buy rig. Do you dig rig? Or
no, I do not dig rig. No. I do not dig rig, and I'll tell you why. Because if I don't like SLB, there's no way I can like rig because they're not nearly as good as SLB. So I'm going to take a serious, big, time-sized pass on your stock. Let's go to Grant in the land of enchantment, New Mexico. Grant.
Booyah, Cramer. This is Grant calling from Santa Fe, New Mexico.
I love Santa
First time,
Fe.
long time, and a club member.
Yes,
Jim,
thank you.
You're welcome, sir. Jim, before I joined the club, I was lost in a sea of too much information and a lack of knowledge. Thanks to you and your team, I have been able to make sound decisions based on your rules for investing and the relevant information that you and your team provide every day. I could have not made the gains. You're welcome, sir. I could not have made these gains without you, and I really appreciate your daily bulletins and your morning meeting.
Well, remember, Jeff Mark sure makes it work. Ben Stoo, the whole team does a great job. How can I help you right now?
Yes, sir. So today I have 13 stocks in my portfolio.
Okay.
And 2 of them have been losers lately, and I would like to make room for a winner.
Okay.
I would like to eliminate one of them, but I could either lower my cost basis with Dupont and buy some more.
Okay. Well, what is the stock that we're referring to? Oh, Dupont. Okay, Dupont announced after the close that they're accelerating the spinoff of one of the divisions and they're keeping the other, and I think it's going to bring out more value. I say you hold on to Dupont. It's very cheap versus the rest of the group. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the conclusion of the Lightning Round.
The Lightning Round is sponsored by Charles Schwab. Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on X. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadMentions. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.